Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to whip up your favorite smoothies, doughs, or meal preps? The Ninja Mega Kitchen System 1500 watts BL770 is here to revolutionize your culinary game. This 4-in-1 blender and food processor combines raw power, versatility, and convenience to tackle everything from crushing ice to kneading dough in seconds. In this review, we'll dive deep into why this kitchen beast is a must-have for home cooks, health enthusiasts, and busy families. Packed with a 1,500-watt motor, total crushing technology, and a suite of attachments, it's designed to simplify your kitchen tasks while delivering professional-grade results. Let's explore what makes this system a game-changer. Solving your kitchen struggles. Imagine this. You're rushing to blend a morning smoothie, but your blender struggles with frozen fruit. Or you're kneading dough by hand, wasting precious time. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System eliminates these frustrations with its 2-horsepower motor that pulverizes tough ingredients in seconds. Whether you're blending large batches for family gatherings, processing veggies for meal prep, or crafting on-the-go smoothies, this system handles it all. Say goodbye to underpowered blenders and bulky appliances cluttering your counter. This all-in-one solution saves time, space, and effort. Why the Ninja Mega Kitchen System stands out. This isn't just a blender. It's a culinary Swiss Army knife. The Ninja BL770 combines the functionality of a high-powered blender, full-size food processor, and personal blender into one compact system. Its 1,500-watt, 2-horsepower motor spins at up to 24,000 RPM, rivaling premium brands like Vitamix or Blendtec at a fraction of the cost. The total crushing technology features a unique 6-blade system that slices through ice, frozen fruits, and tough veggies from top to bottom, ensuring silky smooth results every time. Key features and benefits. Powerful performance. The 1,500 watts motor crushes ice into snow in seconds, perfect for smoothies, slushies, and frozen cocktails. It handles tough ingredients like kale, nuts, and frozen berries with ease, delivering consistent textures. Versatile 4-in-1 functionality. Choose from blend, mix, crush, and single-serve modes to tackle any recipe. Large capacity containers. The 72 ounces pitcher is ideal for family-sized batches, while the 8-cup processor bowl handles meal prep and dough kneading effortlessly. On-the-go convenience. 2 16 ounces. Nutri Ninja Cups with to-go lids make it easy to blend nutrient-packed smoothies and take them anywhere. Easy cleanup. All components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, with a cleaning brush included for the blades. Just pop them in the top rack, and you're done. Safety and durability. The locking mechanism ensures safe operation, and the sturdy plastic containers are built to last, though care is needed to avoid scratching when handling blades. Real-world testing. How it performs. To put the Ninja Mega Kitchen System to the test, I tried 5 recipes that showcase its versatility. 1. Crushed ice for cocktails. Loaded the 72 ounces pitcher with 5 cups of ice and hit the crush function. In under 30 seconds, I had snow-fine ice perfect for margaritas. The noise level hit around 100 decibels, typical for high-powered blenders, but the results were flawless. 2. Morning smoothie using the single-serve cup. I blended a banana, frozen peaches, yogurt, and almond milk. The Pro extractor blades delivered a velvety smoothie in under a minute, with no chunks or unblended bits. 3. Pico de Gallo. The 8-cup processor bowl chopped tomatoes, jalapenos, onions, and garlic into a perfectly even salsa in 30 seconds. The pulse function gave me full control over texture. 4. Pizza dough. The dough blade mixed 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds, producing a smooth, elastic ball ready for baking. No hand kneading required. 5. Nut butter. Blended roasted almonds in the processor bowl. The powerful motor and chopping blade created creamy almond butter in minutes, though I had to scrape down the sides occasionally. Pros and cons. Pros. Unmatched power for crushing ice and blending tough ingredients. Versatile attachments cover blending, processing, and single-serve needs. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. Affordable compared to high-end blenders with similar performance. Includes recipe inspiration for beginners and pros alike. Cons: bulky base and attachments require ample storage space. Loud operation, especially when crushing ice. Plastic containers may scratch if mishandled during cleaning. Why choose the Ninja Mega Kitchen System? Unlike single-function blenders or processors, the Ninja BL770 replaces multiple appliances, saving you counter space and money. Its total crushing technology and 4 unique blade systems ensure professional-grade results. Whether you're blending a smoothie or prepping a family-sized soup, the single-serve cups are a game-changer for busy mornings, and the dishwasher-safe design means you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. While it's not as compact as some personal blenders, its versatility and power make it a standout choice for serious home cooks. Final verdict: the Ninja Mega Kitchen System 1500 watts is a powerhouse that delivers on its promise of versatility, power, and convenience. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a meal prep pro, or a baking buff, this system has the tools to elevate your kitchen game. Its robust motor, multiple functions, and easy-to-clean design make it a worthy investment for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your kitchen with this all-in-one solution today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.